Jason Botfield's Camaro. You can buy the diecast version of that at Summit Racing. He won the Classic Car Liquidators GTV regular season championship. And then the car behind that is Jonathan Clemens' 2008 Shelby GT 500. That car has won the GT regular season championship 3 years in a row.
That is outstanding, man. And originally, the SEMA cruise kind of started by having Holly out when the cars take off at one. People were like, wow, that's an event.
Yeah, it's a pretty cool deal. And now we're tucked back in the bronze out because they're actually running the Peak Performance Challenge all day. We'll just keep taking a little bit of while. This guy's ready in the morning so we can get out there.
Cross happening right here.
That's awesome.
Cool deal. I know competitors are really excited about it. I think the response from the fans is really good.
All right, man. Jim, thank you so much for all your help. Everybody put your earplugs on. You see what's coming through here? A Hummer. See, Ken? That's why after like 5 hours of this, I'm blind. I can't hear. I can't see. That's it, man. But I love it, man. I can't wait to get a little hit of diesel. I'm ready. You know, Kevin, what I saw this year was just a wide scope of vehicles. I saw the Scooby-Doo van. Then you see some outrageous sport. Every stop. Oh yeah. You got a 40 Duster, and then a Skyline, and then a Porsche, and then a Road Dozer. It's just an awesome festival for your eyes and for your nose. The craziest thing about this show is anything goes. We just saw a C8 Corvette roll by, and of course our friends at Chevrolet unveiled the C8 Z06, both hardtop and convertible here this year at SEMA. So every single direction. The cruise will probably run a little bit quicker than it has in the past, largely because of the fact that many of those larger off-road lifted trucks that you typically see come to the cruise, they're already on the west side. So we're going to have a chance to see those vehicles once we adjourn over to SEMA Ignited. It's free, SEMA Ignited. They'll revisit that Battle of the Builders competition. There's all kinds of cool entertainment shows, but definitely be a part of it. Yeah, it's very cool stuff. Some right-hand drive cars coming through, and these guys are smart. They brought their own shade with them because this Las Vegas sun has been pretty hot today. Yeah. You know, as part of any perfect, I guess, event is the weather, and it was awesome. I was walking around, it was a little sunny, a little cool. People were having a good time. New Supra looking good. What's happening, guys? We've got some Mazdas. We've got a 57 Chevy sitting here with some custom trim. It's loaded down, but listen to that one. That is Hellcat powered, my friends. A little bit different sounding. Sweet shoebox, looking good, man. Love the paint. That's the Hell Air, Kev. That's right. 41 Willies. Really clean, traditional custom slam, big wheels. Guy driving this Ranger is going to go play in the snow. Hey, you got a bitchin' little vintage Bronco coming through. Bronco was big in the show. Ford was out there offering an opportunity to check out all the different versions of the Bronco. But you know how it is, when you see the old ones, that's all you want to be around. Look how cool these things are. That's where it all started, man. And in our shop, we did a 5.0 Coyote Swamp and a 72 Bronco, similar to the one that just went by. And I'll tell you what, you put some power in those, they don't call them a bucking Bronco for nothing, man. Those things get crazy. Well, Kev, you know how I am with some of these exotics, right? I know how you are, Joe. All right, so I'm going to be good for a little while. Exotics are definitely part of the show, and it's always great to see it. It doesn't matter who owns them. For sure. Down and dirty, looking good. Great job, brother. How about a nice little round of applause for this clean little Ford pickup? These guys in this big Ram have their Golden Camshaft Award coming out of the bed, ladies and gentlemen. But they also brought out Old Glory. Thank you for that. A nod to the great country we live in with the freedom to build cars the way we want.